Namaste, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making vegan stuffed potato cakes. These delicious crispy potato cakes are stuffed with a spicy and savory mix of mushroom, black beans and some vegan cheese. I'm going to show you how easy it is to prepare this incredible recipe with some simple steps. If you're new to my channel, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you'd like to see more vegan videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Let's get started. Step number 1. I have taken 3 medium potatoes. Boil the potatoes and meanwhile they get cooked, let's start with the preparation of the stuffing. So step number 2. Take a pan and add around 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add half finely chopped medium onion. Stir fry the onion over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the onion gets cooked, add 1 small finely chopped red chili and 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Switch the heat to low and cook for 2 minutes. I love adding garlic to the food as it is really good for your health and it adds so much depth and flavor to the recipe. Now add 4 to 5 finely chopped portobello mushrooms and half finely chopped bell pepper. Switch the heat back to medium and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes till the mushroom gets cooked. Then add around 100 grams of boiled black beans to the pan. Mix everything. You can always add your favorite ingredients to prepare this stuffing. This is one of my favorite combinations. Now it's time to add salt and spices to the recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, and as always you can choose your favorite spices, and 1 teaspoon of mango powder. Mix everything and let it cook over low heat for 5 minutes so the spices get cooked and get infused with the rest of the ingredients. This smells so good already. The stuffing is ready. Step number 3. Time to prep the boiled potatoes. Mash the potatoes using a masher or a fork. You need to make sure that the potatoes don't have any large lumps. It took me around 5 minutes to mash them nicely. Once done, we have to season the mashed potatoes. Add half teaspoon of salt or salt as per taste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 5 tablespoons of rice flour and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix everything till they are well combined. Did you know that both rice flour and cornstarch are gluten-free, which makes this recipe even more awesome? Step number 4. It's time to make the potato cakes. Apply some oil to your palms. This will not allow the potatoes to stick to your hand and also give the smooth texture to the potato cakes. Take around 3 tablespoons of mashed potatoes and shape it like a disc. I am rolling the mixture between both palms and that will help it to stick together better. Once smooth, start to flatten it and spread so that we can easily add the stuffing in it. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of stuffing. You may increase or reduce the quantity of stuffing as per the size of the potato mix. I love to have more stuffing in the patty. I'm greedy that way. I'm also trying to push the stuffing and give it a similar shape of the patty so it's easier to cover it later. Add some grated vegan cheese. It's optional. Now wrap the potatoes around the stuffing, and if it is not getting close, then add some additional mix and shape it like a patty. Make sure it is covered properly from all the sides. Anytime you feel that the potato mix is getting stickier, feel free to apply some more oil to your palms. There you go. Now repeat the same and make more patties. I was able to prepare 5 patties out of the mixture and still had some leftover stuffing. Step number 5. Let's cook the stuffed potato cakes. Heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Brush the oil across the pan. When the pan becomes hot, turn the heat to medium. Place the patties with some distance between each other. Cook them over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes and then flip. You can cook them for a longer time over low heat if you want them to be more crispy. Cook them on the other side for another 5 minutes and then switch off the heat and serve them hot. They are nice and crispy from the outside and so soft and delicious on the inside. They are a perfect lunchbox recipe and can be meal prep too. You can make these patties and then freeze them for later use as well. So if you liked today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipment and ingredients I use in the description section. You can also find the written recipe on my website foodotomic.com. Also check out this delicious empanada recipe, and if you're still looking for more vegan videos, you would definitely love this vegan playlist right here. That's all for today guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.